Captain Abbas. Captain Abbas was the captain of Captain Abbas was the captain of Azad Hind Fauj of Subhash Chandra Bose. He was also the captain of Second World War, one of the battalion, Second World War 1939 to 1944. Barrister Asif Ali, he was the lawyer, advocate of freedom fighters. Barrister Asif Ali fought the case of Sardar Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt for bombing at the Indian National Assembly. Apart from that, we will see that Muslims, they sacrificed their kins for the land, that's the India, that's the Bharat. If I ask you who was the first education minister, you will say Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was the youngest president of Indian National Congress in 1923-24. He again was made the president of Indian National Congress 1940 to 1946. When India got freedom, he was made the first education minister. And on his birthday, National Education Day is celebrated. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was with Mahatma Gandhi on many occasions. And if I go ahead and give the names of Muslim freedom fighters, it will take lots of time. I'll name few. Dr. Maghfur Ahmad, Dr. Mukhtar Ahmad, Dr. Zakir Hussain, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. Along with that, Muhammad Hidayatullah, and many more. The list is such a long that at that time, when I was going through, I found that the love for country was such a high spirit in their minds, they didn't see their wife, their children, their parents, but for country, they sacrificed everything. We remember Rajguru, we remember Bhagat Singh, we remember Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil, Ashfaqullah Khan, born in 1900, Ashfaqullah Khan along with Ram Prasad Bismil in Kakori case, in Kakori train robbery case, he was hanged in 1927 at age of just 27 years. This shows that Muslims were dominating the scene, and why not? Because it was Muslim, it was the case that Britishers took country from Bahadur Shah Zafar, that is a Muslim. So Britishers had taken from Muslims, so therefore Muslims fought bravely. When Bahadur Shah Zafar was exiled, before that he was confined in Red Fort for 15 days. Within 15 days, around 2 lakh Muslims were killed. Out of that, 51,000 were Alim-e-Deen. And in that case, if I go back, Mapla Muslims numbering 50,000, they were protesting, they were arrested, 10,000 were killed, and 20,000 were sent to Andaman Nicobar Island. Khuda-e Khidmatgar movement by Simant Gandhi, Frontier Gandhi, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Around 400 members of this Khudai Khidmatgar at Peshawar, they were shot dead. And Barakatullah Bhopali did a successful protest in New York, Moscow, Kabul, and other places. Muslims' contribution for India is greatest. And even today, the spirit is there in every young one for the country, the love, affection.